Hey, this is Kathleen with the Master Kit team. Today we will talk about feeling pessimistic and share a couple of insights on how to change that. This topic is a bit deeper than usual, since feeling pessimistic has a lot of roots within our psyche. First of all, let's look at what a pessimistic outlook is. You probably know that it comes with feeling a bit down and encountering quite a few disappointments. When you tried something and they didn't turn out exactly the way you expected, you are now shifting your expectations towards previous unideal results, assuming that reality actually works like that. You have to remember, it wasn't always like this. Why did it change? It's actually a natural growing process when you're going into a different state of mood or mind. It's normal, but it doesn't mean that you have to just take it. You are the creator of your own reality. And there's one amazing thing that you could do. To stay in a positive state of mind, I challenge you to do this for 30 days. So what you have to do for 30 days is write 30 easy tasks in your notepad. It has to be something that you could easily do. Things like do a 1-minute plank, do 30 sit-ups, make coffee, do the dishes. You have to come up with 30 of them. And then you write them in the morning, the day off, or the evening, the day before. And then you actually do them, all of them. Once you complete one task, you cross it out. It won't take much time since you're not putting anything difficult on your list. Your list should be easy. Disclaimer, you have to do all of the tasks on the day you plan for yourself. No exceptions, no excuses. If you miss one task or an entire day, you start the 30 days over. If you could do this for 30 days, you would get into that flow state of mind where things are easily accomplished and turn out exactly the way you want it. How this works is it builds new neuron connections in your brain that will manifest in other areas of your life. It helps you accomplish things. After your 30 days are over, you could continue, but now you're including 5 to 10 medium difficulty tasks on your list. Things like doing your homework, writing that resume, or cleaning out your closet, finally. And believe me, after the first 30 days, even those more difficult tasks will be easily achieved. How this works is that it rewires your brain to release dopamine after you've accomplished something. The bigger the task, the more dopamine you get, and the better life you're building for yourself. Don't just listen to this information. I want you to actually do this 30-day challenge. I want you to know how it feels to be in that flow state of mind where everything is amazing and comes easily to you. Come back to this video, let us know in the comments how it feels, and also share it with a friend. Do this challenge together. Like and subscribe.